Hello and welcome to CBM-POT with me, Chef Bill Mkono. Maneno iko wetu mbaya sana. And you know how we do this? Today I'm preparing spaghetti fritters. So sexy, so delicious, so exquisite, so beautiful. Motamu reloaded. So let's get into cooking. Maneno iko wetu mbaya sana. This one is so easy, so simple to make. It's a snack or a meal. All my ingredients are ready. I have green capsicum or pilipili hoho in Swahili. I have my diced tomatoes and onions, chopped onions. I have my beef brawn, or you can use bacon if you want or if you like. I have my eggs ready. I have pasta or spaghetti, being precise to the point. This is spaghetti, and you need a better quality spaghetti. So I'm going to boil my water and season. I will add salt and some corn oil, just a little bit, and then after boiling, I will break into two my spaghetti and put them in water. Maneno iko wet mbaya sana, motamu reloaded, and I'm making spaghetti fritters. Maneno iko wet mbaya. So after some time boiling the spaghetti, you have to cook them until al dente or cooked very well. So after that, I will drain the excess water and then stop the cooking by adding or putting them in cold water. Or if you have ice cubes, you can also put them inside ice cubes. And then I'm going to use my eggs and break just a few of them and whisk them properly. You have to whisk your eggs until foamy. I'm going to take the spaghetti and pour in the beaten eggs. And eggs is very essential because it acts like a glue. It merges together all the ingredients that I'm going to put in this spaghetti. Maneno iko wet mbaya sana. You have to mix the spaghetti very well because those eggs act like glue. They will bind together all the ingredients that I'm going to put inside the spaghetti. And then I'm going to take the other ingredients and season them with some salt, some black pepper if you want, or if you are a spicy person, you can add some spices of your choice. So after adding all the ingredients that I want, I'm going to make sure I've mixed them very well, making sure all the condiments that I've added in the spaghetti, they are very well distributed, and the salt also. They are very well mixed together because it is a fritter. So you must ensure all the ingredients that you have added, or the condiments, if you like, that I've added in the spaghetti, they are very well mixed together. And the seasoning should also be on point. But if you are a spicy person, you can add each and every spice of your choice or liking in the spaghetti. Maneno iko wetu mbaya sana, motamu reloaded. So let's get busy and make our fritters. Maneno iko wetu mbaya. In my hot pan, I'm going to add some corn oil. And then after some time, I'm going to add my beef prawns. And if you like, or if you have bacon, that is the most delicious ingredient that you can substitute with beef prawns. And if also you don't have beef prawns, you don't have bacon, you can always feel free to use chicken if you want or if you love. And apart from chicken, also you can use sausages, but I'm using beef prawn. You have to press the beef prawns because while cooking they usually bulge upwards. So you always press them so that they can brown very well each side. They usually take time, and be patient with them so that you can get that authentic flavor that you want from them. And after some time, my beef prawns are ready, so I'm going to take them from the heat. That looks absolutely beautiful. Tamenye iko hapa, mautamu mautamu reloaded, and that is what we do in CBM-POT with me Chef Bill Mkono. Maneno iko wetu mbaya sana. CBM-POT cooking blending memories, and today I'm preparing spaghetti fritters. I'm going to take the beef brawns and cut them into small cubes so that I can mix them with the other condiments together with spaghetti. Maneno iko wetu mbaya. You have to separate the beef brawns because they are very sticky and gummy. So you have to ensure you have separated them very well so that you can easily mix the beef brawns with the other condiments together. Maneno iko wet mbaya sana. Mautamu Mautamu reloaded with me Chef Bill Mkono, CBM-POT cooking blending memories. Make sure you mix all the ingredients together. You have to make sure you are mixing all the ingredients together very well. I'm going to start frying my spaghetti fritters. They usually take time, so you have to be very, very patient with them. So you have to make sure you cook on low heat so that all the ingredients can be well cooked and release all the flavors that you want. Maneno iko wet mbaya sana. That is my spaghetti fritters. They are so time consuming, but it's so delicious while you are eating. It's so delicious, so sexy, so beautiful. Motamu, Motamu reloaded. You know how we do this. This is my spaghetti fritters. You can try it out. You can take it as a snack or as a meal. Feel free to to explore each and every avenue and enjoy yourself. Maneno iko wet mbaya sana with me Chef Bill Mkono. Thank you so much for watching my show, my recipe for today's spaghetti fritters. Thank you so much for watching. Muchas gracias, merci, asanteni sana. Chef Bill Mkono, ciao, adios, dank. Let's meet in another episode. CBM-POT Cooking Blending Memories. Mautamu Reloaded. Maneno iko wet, baya. Ciao.